Cooking time again, and I'm gonna break out the perfect tortilla thing. If I remember right, it was like 10 minutes. I'll make a tortilla bowl. We'll make a couple of them. Brought the new Wave Mini. It's the first time I've used it. And away it goes. Alright, onion. This is going to be quick. And with the onion, I went to the grocery and I again found that corn chicken tenders. They are meatless. They are soy and gluten free. Every now and then, because I go a little bit too crazy with red meat, I have to do this. So into the bag, into the pan they go. Alright, plug it in. Medium low. Start. Put some olive oil in there. Some kicked up chicken. Because again, I showed this very similar meal to what I'm doing. I showed before, and it's pretty good. Some garlic powder. This fake stuff is not too bad. And put a little bit of sriracha, not to overwhelm it, just a little bit. Alright. Stir, stir, stir. Okay? Come back when that's cooked some more. Okay, that's coming along. I'm going to add some corn. About half a can of it. I've been looking for corn on the cob, and what is out there is obviously imported and 50 cents an ear, and it looked like crap. So there's a can of corn going in with it. Again, very similar to what I made last time. We're going to change it up some, but keep cooking. Give it just a little bit more sriracha. Tortilla bowl. We got a little bit of salad. Okay. Chicken and corn and onion. Okay. I got some tortilla strips. Put a little crunch in there. I got a little Ken's Steakhouse Italian. A little bit more lettuce. These taco bowls are not huge. Of the fake chicken concoction. Woohoo! I made a few tortilla bowls, so we'll be good to go. Some more dressing. Some cheese. I'm gonna stand right here and eat it after I put a little bit more dressing on. The flyover. Doesn't that look good? Alright, time to eat. See what we can get on there. Got most bit of everything right there. That's a good meal. That's gonna work. So I do these every now and then so that I can go nuts and eat way too many London broils. At least that's what I tell myself. Alright, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day. Well, of course I had burgers as well, but I don't need to show you that all the time. And here's a little bit of nature for you as well. I always need to find a little nature to walk around in and relax and unwind. And then I like to end a day with a decent sunset. So I hope you enjoyed this weird little video and that you have a great and wonderful day.